Hello future coders! Welcome back to another video from CodeRobo, where learning coding is fun. In this video we are going to continue our draw course and our alphabet series. In this video we are going to complete our mission 9, which is to draw an alphabet V. Now let's get started. First thing that you will see is the head of the robot is somewhere in the upward direction. It is supposed to face in downward direction. So in order to do that, we will have to turn it by right somewhere around 150 degrees. Now once it is done, you can use move forward. Now somewhere we will feel like, okay, we cannot guess what will be the steps. So you can maximize the window. Zooming in will help us out to select how many steps we need the robot to move. Let us move the robot 8 steps forward, and then we will have to use turn left. 120 degrees. Move the robot 8 steps forward in the left direction. Now let's click on the green button. So you'll see that it has turned 120 degrees. Now moving forward with 8 steps. And yes, we have completed our mission 9, that was to draw alphabet. Hope you liked the video. Like, share and subscribe to CodeRobo.